At Personal Plumbing, Heating, and Cooling, we are more than just a service provider. We're your neighbor. As a veteran-owned company, our mission is to enhance your comfort and peace of mind. For over 20 years, we have proudly served San Diego, building lasting relationships and strengthening our community. We offer military and senior discounts because giving back is part of who we are. With every service call, we are committed to exceeding your expectations. We are ready to serve you, San Diego. Trust Personal Plumbing, Heating, and Cooling, your masters of comfort for all your plumbing and HVAC needs.